Hi, everybody. It's Ms. Salazar, and welcome to Health Class. So, I know it's been a while since you guys have seen a presentation for Health Class because we've been working on the lungs project, right? We were working on the lungs project and the circulatory assignment that you guys have. But for today, we're going to be talking about your brain. Now, right here, you guys have a picture of a brain. This is how it looks like inside of your head, right? And this is how it looks like outside. So you have all of these weird lines, and this is basically a brain, a human brain. So over here, you have the vocabulary words, right? So you have brain, and a brain is the body part that tells your body what to do. So if you want to raise your finger, your brain does that. Your brain tells you to be able to move so you can raise your finger. And you also have nerves. Now they are long and they look like strings. So if you look at this picture, these orange things, these are the nerves. So they're long and they look like strings, and they carry messages to help you see, to help you hear, smell, taste, touch, and move. So over here you have the brain, and then all of these orange strings are the nerves. And remember, the brain is the body part that tells your body what to do. And the nerves, they look like strings and they carry messages to help you see, hear, smell, taste, touch, and move. Now, over here is a reading that's in my book. You guys don't have this. And it says the brain is the body part that tells your body what to do. It sends messages all around your body through nerves. Now, the nerves are long, string like body parts that carry messages to help you see, hear, smell, taste, touch, and move. Your brain helps you think, learn, and remember things. Now, to protect your brain, it's extremely important. Your brain is protected by a hard bone called your skull. Now, you still need to take care of your brain. So, even though you have this skull that takes care, well, I wouldn't say that that skull takes care of the brain. The skull protects the brain from getting injured, right? From getting hurt. But you still need to be able to be more careful. You still need to take care and protect your brain. So, here are some of those ways. You can wear a helmet when you ride a bike, when you skate, or when you play baseball. So, it's extremely important that you wear a helmet. Don't breathe in glue or cleaners. So, what this means is that let's say that you have a marker and you like the smell of the marker. That's actually really bad for you, so don't smell markers, don't smell glue, cleaners. That means products that you use to clean, like maybe Lysol or maybe Clorox. Like all of those cleaning things, all of those cleaning products, don't smell them. That's actually very harmful for your brain. Let's see what else. Oh, there you go. It says wear a seatbelt in a car or bus. Exactly. So if you're in a bus or if you're in a car and you guys get into a car accident, the seatbelt, it's going to protect you from getting hurt, and it's actually going to protect your brain from hitting, let's say, the windshield. So seatbelts are lifesavers, and keep using your brain to learn. Exactly. So keep using your brain to learn. And let's see, how do you take care of your brain? I know, let's see, one way I take care of my brain is that I like to read. So that's one way of me keeping my brain always learning new things. And I wear a seatbelt. There you go. So, why is the brain so important to us? Well, it helps us think, learn, and remember things. And how do the brain and the nerves work together? Easy. The brain sends messages through your nerves. So, if you want to move around, if you want to raise your hand, if you want to raise your leg, if you want to run, walk, swim, do whatever, your brain sends all of those messages that you want to move this body part and you want to do this now. So your brain sends those messages through your nerves, and then that's how you're able to move. The brain. Okay, so you guys have a video that you can watch. You can watch here in the presentation, but you also have the video in LMS. So I'm just going to move on to the next slide. Okay, and here you have another video again of the human brain. I'm going to move on to the next slide because you guys have this video in LMS. Let's see. There you go. So this is your assessment. You have two pages for your assessment, page 28 and page 29. So caring for your brain, all you would have to do is write a sentence of how this kid in the pictures is taking care of his brain. Do you guys remember what I said about the seatbelt? Look at him. He's sitting in the car and he's wearing a seatbelt. So you can write a sentence that he's, in a car and he's being safe because he's using a seatbelt, and that's how he's taking care of his brain. And then that's what you're going to do with the rest of the pictures. And then in page 29, you have chapter 3 review. You're going to match the word with its definition. And that's about it. That is your assessment. You don't have to send me anything. Bye, everybody.